Perplexity AI Review 2026. Is it really better than Google? Are you still using Google for every search? What if I told you, here is an AI that does not just find information, it synthesizes, it cites its sources, and gives you answers in seconds. That is Perplexity AI. And today I am giving you my honest, no nonsense review. So, what exactly is Perplexity AI? Think of it as a search engine on steroids, powered by artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional search, where you get a list of blue links, Perplexity reads through dozens of sources and gives you a complete, well-researched answer with citations. It launched in 2022 and has quickly become the go-to research tool for students, professionals, and honestly, anyone tired of clicking through 10 different websites to find what they need. Let us talk features. First up, the Pro Search. This is Perplexity's flagship feature. When you ask a complex question, it does not just give you one answer. It asks clarifying questions, searches multiple angles, and delivers a comprehensive response. It is like having a research assistant who actually knows what they are doing. You can also upload files, PDFs, documents, images, and ask questions about them. The AI will analyze your files and give you detailed answers based on it. Then here is the focus feature. You can narrow your search to specific domains like academic papers, YouTube videos, Reddit discussions, or even your own files. This is incredibly powerful when you need specialized information from trusted sources, and the collections feature lets you organize your research into folders, making it easy to come back to previous searches and build on your work over time. Now let us compare Perplexity to traditional Google search. When you search on Google, you get ads, sponsor results, and then organic links that you have to click through one by one. Perplexity skips all that noise. It goes directly to the sources, reads them, and synthesizes the key information into a clear, cited answer. For research-heavy tasks, this saves literally hours of clicking and reading. However, Google still wins for quick factual lookups like weather, sports scores, or finding a specific website. Different tools for different needs. What about Perplexity versus ChatGPT? This is where it gets interesting. ChatGPT is a conversational AI that can help with writing, coding, brainstorming, and more. Perplexity is purpose-built for research and search. ChatGPT sometimes hallucinates or makes things up. Perplexity grounds every answer in real web sources with citations. If accuracy and verifiability matter to you, Perplexity is the clear winner. But if you need creative writing, coding help, or a brainstorming partner, ChatGPT still has the edge. Let us talk pricing. Perplexity has a generous free tier that gives you 5 pro searches per Dalton Alton Y. The Pro plan costs $20 per month and gives you unlimited Pro searches, access to more powerful AI models like GPT-4 and Claude, file uploads, and image generation. Is it worth it? If you do any kind of research regularly for work, school, or personal projects, absolutely. The time savings alone justify the cost. Here are the pros. Accurate, cited answers that you can verify. Pro, search with follow-up questions. File, upload, and analysis. Focus, modes for specialized research. Clean, ad-free interface. Collections for organizing your work. And real-time information from the web. And here are the cons. Free tier is limited to 5 pro searches per Dalton Elton Y. It can be slow for complex queries. Sometimes it picks up information from low-quality sources. Not great for creative tasks like writing or coding. And the AI models behind it can occasionally misunderstand nuanced questions. My final verdict: Perplexity AI is a must-have tool for anyone who regularly researches topics online. It is not going to replace Google for quick lookups, but for anything that requires reading multiple sources and synthesizing information, it is genuinely a game changer. I give it an 8.5 out of 10. If you have not tried it yet, go to perplexity.ai and start with the free tier. You will be surprised how much time it saves you. If you found this review helpful, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss our latest AI tool reviews, tutorials, and comparisons. This is